Medeco Biaxial cam lock. Gonna start at the back, the lift a little bit, find a good stopping point. Okay, and rotate. Okay, I feel like that's something now. Go back to number 3. Okay, 4 dropped. Okay, 3 again. 4, just kind of poking back and forth between 3 and 4, seeing what's up. Okay, nice. All right, let's drop a little bit. Back to 4. Back to 3. Okay. But 4 dropped. Okay, trying to rotate 4. Not really doing much for me. Poke at 3 a little more. Okay, I think 3 and 4 are currently set, but that doesn't do much for me. I don't feel anything on 2 right now. Come back to 1. Okay, let's go back to 4. I don't feel anything going on in there. 3, nope. 2, 1, okay. 2, nothing going on. 3, 4. Let me try some rotating. Okay, let's relax a little bit. Oop. Okay, and then drop everything. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's drop it all, because maybe 2 got overset. Kind of felt like it. I'm gonna maybe poke at 1. 2. 3. Drops 2 and 1. Okay, let's go back to 4. He does it. Okay. Four is giving me trouble. Okay. 3, 2. 2, 3, 4. 3. One. Okay, let's drop everything again and see what we got here. Let's go back to 4. Okay, good click on 4. That tells me that's probably rotated correctly and set. It's a good click on 3, but it dropped 4. I think 3 and 4 are set. I'm sure they'll drop again once I go to set 1 and 2. Oops. I think that was 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's drop again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, one more go at it. Okay, it felt like you could click on 4. Come back to 1. 2. 3. 2 again. Ah, 1. Well, that was a battle, huh? What a slug in the ditch. All right, these are a little different from, say, regular old Medeco Biaxials. Let me turn on the autofocus here. Grab one of these guys. All right, are we back? Did I relock that? Nope, okay. Now it's relocked. All right, now this Medeco Biaxial camlock will just slide right out. No danger. Oh my. That guy wiggled itself loose a little bit. That's all right. Everything should have still been picking like normal. And so we have a spring and a key pin, but there's no driver pin. And this key pin has this little nasty false gate deal there, kind of thing. So that sort of acts like a little spool, dealy bob. And then there's this hole here. And that hole is what the sidebar goes into. So the sidebar's got a bunch of pins that stick out. And we'll go into that. See if I can. Right. So this little nub is where the spring sits. And then this false gate spoolie deal, and then this nub, and then of course there's the standard sort of rotation that we're so familiar with Medeco, and then here's the sort of rotational false gates. Well, actually, not sure how much those will actually come into play there, because it won't rotate around that far. So I don't know if there's anything on the other side that would interact with that. Because the flag there is on the opposite, or the flag is on this side, on the opposite side of this hole, and the flag sits here and prevents it from rotating freely, right? There's only a limited range of motion for those pins, those key pins. Arc. So I don't know if that's just sort of an aspect of how they manufacture it there. Maybe that's it. I don't know if that would actually really interfere with picking. It seems like it would if it touched the sidebar, and I don't know if I can really get the sidebar out, but give me, okay. This one was really ping-pongy. So I'd set a pin, and then something else would drop, and I'd set a pin and something else would drop, and I'd set a pin and something else would drop. And eventually I become convinced that I've got the rotation right, and it turns into a matter of lifting, which makes it a little bit easier at the end. But I end up having to lift and drop over and over again. Maybe with some more practice or something, or maybe it's just this one in particular. I don't know. I wonder if light of any kind. I wonder if this will work. maybe you can maybe see the pin sticking out of the sidebar there. Hopefully that shows up on the video. And then here are those just 4 simple pins with their little holes in them. Nothing else really in particular to talk about on this one. Just that there's, like most Medeco Biaxials, there's still a lift and rotate operation you have to perform, and it's tricky. That is a challenge. So there it is.